Every small open bathroom begins with light, gentle, pure, alive. It's where the morning touches the soul before the world awakens. Simplicity becomes serenity. In this small open bathroom, nature and design breathe as one. Through the skylight, light descends like a soft blessing, making even the smallest bathroom feel endless. The boundary fades. The bathroom meets the garden, and the air itself becomes part of the design. Earth tones ground the senses, turning this open bathroom into a quiet refuge of balance and peace. Glass erases separation. The small bathroom expands, breathing with the rhythm of openness. Reflections multiply light. The mirror turns a small open bathroom into a room twice its size. Softly here, carrying scent and stillness. The open bathroom exhales life itself. Texture tells a story of contrast. Cold stone meets warm wood, creating harmony in a compact world. When the vanity floats, the room feels lighter, every inch of the bathroom freed for breath and motion. Water falls like a quiet symphony. In this open bathroom, cleansing becomes a ceremony of calm. Even the smallest bathroom blooms when nature takes part. Green whispers life into every corner. Light warms the skin and softens the silence. Every glow turns the open bathroom into a soft embrace. Balance is found in restraint. The fewer the things, the deeper the calm within this open bathroom. Nothing here is rigid. The open bathroom flows with curves, echoing the shapes of rivers and wind. True design is not how much you add, but how well you live with less. The small open bathroom becomes harmony itself. opens to the sky, letting in clouds, birds, and the scent of rain. The open bathroom becomes infinite. Each step across cool stone grounds you in the moment. The small bathroom teaches stillness through touch. A single mirror doubles the light, doubles the freedom. The open bathroom transcends its own size. Whispers grace. In this small open bathroom, simplicity becomes elegance. As dusk falls, the open bathroom glows like memory, quiet, golden, and timeless. Zen minimalism finds its home here. The open bathroom is not just seen, it's felt. Air and water meet in silent rhythm. The open bathroom becomes a place to breathe again. The glass returns what it sees, a reflection of life, of calm, of endless green. Height gives illusion to space. The open bathroom stretches upward, reaching for the sky. Wood glows with memory and warmth. It turns a small bathroom into a story of timeless comfort. In the silence before the day begins, the open bathroom stands still, a pause between light and breath. Luxury here doesn't shout. It whispers through marble veins and the softness of open air. Light paints the walls, shadows dance softly. The small open bathroom becomes a living artwork. Beauty needs no excess. The small open bathroom speaks quietly through purity and grace. When nature and design coexist, time stands still. The open bathroom becomes eternal. And so, the small open bathroom disappears into nature, not an escape from life, but a return to it.